Hello, today we are going to solve one question from IIT JAM Biotechnology 2019. As we know that JAM is one of the most important examination in India for those students who want to join IITs to pursue their master degree courses. So this is the question number 23 from section A, and as this is a MCQ type question, therefore only one option is correct among these four given options. So let's see what is in this question. A particle starting from rest is subjected to a constant force. The plot of distance traveled along the direction of the force as a function of time is a particle particle starting from rest is subjected to a constant force. Subjected to a constant force. The plot of distance traveled along the plot of distance traveled along the direction of force is a function of time and it is a parabola. Therefore, the right answer is option C. Okay. Now let's get into the next problem. So this is the next question, question number 24. This is also a MCQ type question. So let's see what is in this problem. Indole acetic acid is involved in gravitopsism, flowering, ripening, senescence. Okay. Now as we know that indole 3 acetic acid is the most common naturally occurring plant hormone of the auxin class. It is the best known of the auxins. It is the best known of the auxins and has been subject of extensive studies and has been subject of extensive studies. IAA is a derivative of indole containing a carboxymethyl substituent. IAA is a derivative of indole containing a carboxymethyl substituent. It is a colorless solid that is soluble in polar organic solvent. IAA is predominantly produced in cells of the apex or bud, whatever you say, and very young leaves of a plant. Okay. Now plants can synthesize IAA by several independent biosynthetic pathways. But there is also a biosynthetic pathway independent of tryptophan. Biosynthetic pathway rather than tryptophan. Okay. Plants mainly produce IA from tryptophan through indole 3 pyruvic acid. Plants mainly produce IAA from tryptophan through indole 3 pyruvic acid. IAA is also produced from tryptophan through indole 3 acetyldoxamine in Arabidopsis thaliana. Okay. Therefore, the right answer for this question is option A, that is gravitropism. So we have successfully answered two of these questions, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.